Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Tony, and today I am going to show you guys the top 5 plants that are in my collection for February of 2022. It's almost Valentine's Day, and this plant right here, I like it for obvious reason. The leaves look like little hearts. Now these you guys can find at the local big box store with one leaf in a pot. I do not recommend you guys getting those because more than likely the heart is just a leaf and there's no node attached to it, so you cannot grow a large plant like this out of that leaf. However, it does look good, and if you are okay with it, then yeah, go ahead and get them, but I wouldn't though. So this is the Hoya carrii. This is the non-variegated form, which I like better than the variegated form. This is Philodendron verrucosum. It is on my favorite list for February of 2022 because I thought that I was going to lose this guy. He was very big and lush, and I think he might have been overwatered or maybe outgrew the pot and I just didn't pay attention to him. So he lost all his foliage and was looking really sick. So I decided to chop him up and propagate him. And right now, it looks like he is making a comeback. I was able to get 3 cuttings out of him, and this is the best looking one right now. So hopefully this will grow back to the way it was prior to the whole incident. And I just love the veining on the verrucosum. Also the red stripes that you can see on the back of the leaf. It is a very nice looking plant, a little bit finicky, but overall a fantastic one to collect. And right now the price of these verrucosum have gone way down. You can get a plant like this off of Etsy for about $30 to $40. One day I will probably have this guy climbing up a pole. My next favorite plant is this Nepenthes, or pitcher plant. I do not know the species of this one, but I'm very proud of how it is doing. Look at all these tiny little pitcher, you guys. Aren't they adorable? Right now the weather is cool and these plants love it. You just give them plenty of sunlight and water and they will put out these leaves with the pitcher on them. It's such a unique plant. Philodendron Florida Ghost. I love this plant because of the white leaf that it puts out. I also have the Florida Green, which is very large. It is also one of my favorites, but this guy right here, right now, I am just in love with. Now they won't stay like this forever, but right now I am going to enjoy it, as it is putting out these gorgeous creamy leaves. If you're able to get one and add it to your collection, I highly recommend it. It's very easy to take care of, just like the other philodendrons. Look at the shape of this leaf, you guys. It is a very unique plant. I'm so glad that I got this. And this guy's, I actually got it from Aeroid Asia. I did an unboxing video about a month ago. So if you guys are curious about it, you guys can. If you guys are interested in that, you can find the video in my playlist. The last plant that I am showing you guys that is my favorite for this month is my Monstera peru, or Green Galaxy. It is currently in my bathroom for the winter, and so far it has been doing okay. I like it because it is on this wood plank here. I'm just gonna slowly go up on the plank and show you guys how large this plant is. It has to be more than 10 foot by now. I need a bigger wood plank or start having it climb up the wall or some sort of a structure, or I can even maybe cut it back to here, root them, and then kind of fill out all these still blank spaces. Well, those are my favorite plants for February of 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.